Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Money Manager. You will go to settings as you see and you can click. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you can search about Money Manager and you will enter here. Here. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. And then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support